Hello friends, this is my second video for Design Dreamers, and today I'm gonna be creating a simple name tag, and it's just gonna be a simple cut operation. I'm gonna go into how I'm gonna do that. I have Arabic calligraphy that I have saved in my folder. I'm gonna just go into upload and upload image. I'm going to pick up my calligraphy which I have saved. I actually just used a simple Arabic generator, a free online tool from Google. If you need more details on this, you could always just add me a comment and I can give you the description on my next video. So I'm just going to select this and open it, and this is going to be actually a simple cut, so because it's just a cut image, so I will go on simple and continue, and now I have to remove the background. So I'm going to go to manual select and I just click on the background, and here I go ahead and remove the background. Now I'm going to increase the size to see if I have any background removal needed. I see right here that I need to remove a background right here as well, so I'm just going to click on that and my background is removed. Now this looks pretty good. I can go ahead and apply and continue. And now this is, as I told you, I mentioned before, it's just a simple cut image. So I'm going to do cut image and I'm gonna upload that. I have it saved right here again. I'm just gonna click on it and add it to the canvas. So the name tag I have is actually a 8x2, so I need to change the size of this. I need to adjust it accordingly. I need something around 6 by 1.5 or something like this, so I can always change the size right here. So this is a lock proportion you see right here. So once this is locked, if I change the width, the height is gonna automatically change, but I don't need that. I actually want to change the width and the height according to my preference. So I'm gonna unlock it, and now I'm gonna keep it 6.5, and now I can adjust the height as well accordingly. So I'm gonna do a 1.5. Okay, this looks pretty good. So this is the size that I required, so I'm gonna go ahead with that. And before I go ahead and click on make, I'm gonna see if I do have any contours for this. So I just click on the image, go to contour, and I see right here that if I hide this contour right here, the image is gonna be cut exactly like this without a space in the middle. But I don't want the image to be cut like this, so I'm gonna actually leave it as it was. So I'm not gonna hide any of the contours, it's just gonna be a simple cut. I'm just going to cut this right here, and we can go ahead and click make, and I'm not going to be saving it right now, so I can just click on don't save. And now it's asking me that how I'm going to be loading the material on my Cricut. So you can select on mat, you can select without mat. So I actually don't have a 12x12 sheet, so I would actually be using a 12x12 mat and placing a sheet on that. So I'm going to be doing on mat, a 12x12 mat size. We have two mat size options. The basic is always 12x12. You could always go for a bigger mat size if you need that. And then we can just go ahead and confirm. This is how it's going to be cut in the this is how it's going to be cut according to the placement I did. And then I can just go ahead and continue. And now I get the option to set the base material. So my base material is gonna be a permanent vinyl, so I'm gonna select that. I can select the material from here, so I'll just go ahead and browse all material, and I'm gonna go to vinyl, and I'm gonna find a permanent vinyl. It's gonna be a smart vinyl permanent. I'm just gonna go ahead and bookmark that so you can use it for future reference, and click on done. And the pressure is set to default, so I'm not going to change the pressure of the cutting for the blade. I'm just going to keep it default. If you want, you could always change the pressure, but I just prefer the default one. And now I have the base material set, I have the pressure. All I have to do is just load the material and go ahead and cut it on my Cricut.